Alright, I come in from work this morning. Actually, came in yesterday. I slept all day yesterday, so got up last night and Melissa told me I had a package. So I grabbed it this morning when I come in from work. Hey, this is from the man, the myth, the legend, Ron T. Sawyer. Y'all stick around, let's see what's in this thing. There you go there. Number 95 mantle for the North Star lantern that he gifted me at the fall meet. There's some forever stamped envelopes. And I guess the envelopes are to mail out these Coleman Lantern Addict stickers since I met Bluegrass Bushcraft and Plain Old Chuck. I guess I'll have to mail out one of those to Carl O. Definitely right off the bat, because I think he's hooked. Yeah, there's a few other people I have to mail them to. All right, let's check out this North Star. Check it out. I've been doing a little organizing. Built me a little shelf in there. I had all my stoves and shorter items that were all double stacked on top of one another. Really hard to get in and out. So I took everything out of the cabinet and built me a shelf in there. Still got stuff buried behind one another, but it's a little more organized now. Got mostly lanterns on the next two shelves. There's our North Star. A few more stoves on the bottom. That's most of my coffee stuff. Another small shelf right there that I added in. Helped a little bit with organization. Now, let's grab this North Star out of here. Interesting. Check this out, the lights out. Man, that thing is bright. I don't know how the camera's picking that up. Pumped it up a little more. She's cranking now. Man, oh man. I'm gonna have to drag out my 236 one and see, compare the brightness. Infinity match. Okay, well that's preheating. I'm also burning in the generator or the mantle at the same time. And I am running egret mantle. I think that's how you pronounce that. Egret, maybe, I don't know. These are made in Shanghai, 500 to 600 candle power. Let's see how that'll compare to the North Star. Looks like that alcohol's just about burnt all the way out. I think they're safe to go ahead and crack it. Until now, this 237 has been the brightest lantern I owned. And I never thought that I would like a lantern from the 1990s. I'm more of an antique lantern guy. And I don't care for the newer model lanterns. But man, check this thing out. I am actually impressed with this one. Look at the light that thing puts out. Close my shop door. Love it. Might have a new go-to camping lantern. Ron, really appreciate you, brother. I really owe you now. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless. Coleman North Star.